In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your motion sensor. You might need a step stool or ladder to reach the sensor. Some models require a screwdriver. Depending on the model you have, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video. You will replace one or two batteries. Before changing the battery, ensure your system is disarmed and placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website, customercare.guardianprotection.com. Locate the motion sensor with the low battery. For some models, open the motion sensor by pressing the finger tabs located at the top and/or bottom of the device to release it from the back plate, or insert a small screwdriver into the slot at the top or bottom of the device and gently twist to release the cover. Next, you must release the lens from the device by depressing 3 tabs on the device, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. Next, remove the batteries. Insert the new batteries. Pay attention to polarity. Press the lens back into place until you hear a click. Reattach the device by inserting the lower half of the cover into the back plate and swing it up to connect it to the top of the device. The light on the device might flash for a period of time. Now that you have replaced the battery, test your system. Once you are finished testing the device, confirm the test signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Care Department